Specialist Ryan Campbell, Hall of Famers, Jim Gray, Joe Goosen, and our very own host, Brian Custer, on the call today. Nice straight left from Manny Pacquiao.
Yan, buti na lang, sarado yung mukha ni Manny.
Quick shots here.
The timing is absolutely beautiful here.
I'm impressed. The 46-year-old man, the timing's there. I mean, he talked about it. He said it. The training camp was good. Everything was working perfect. And we're seeing it right now. The fight really close as we're seeing 66, 67.
Dami niyang jabs, oh.
That's Larry Hazzard's unofficial scorecard. And look, he may look like a 40-year-old, but he's not that 40-year-old we saw against Jordanis Ugalde. He's nothing near a 46-year-old through 8 rounds tonight.
I think some of that is Pacquiao. Look, he's busy. Sure, Pacquiao is busy in politics, philanthropy. If he's unfocused, if he's not putting in the work, don't you get a different Pacquiao? I think that's what we saw in the loss to Jeff Ford in 2017. But look what happened when he came back 2 years later. Looked completely different. Going from
yeah, listen, there was that question. Even Barrios had, why did Manny Pacquiao?
Ayun, oh, pwede na niya nung anuhin eh. Nung gumanon siya, pwede na niyang ganunin yun eh.
Barrios waits too much. He takes his sweet time, and he's giving Pacquiao these opportunities. He's willing with the Flurries, take his time. He does not put the pressure with his older man. So that is the answer. If Barrios was able to pressure and throw a couple punches like Ugalde, it would be a whole different story.
And that's a temperament issue with Mario Barrios. He's an attitude against
Come on, Manny.
His MO.
Manny. Manny. Ay, nagano na siya. Nag-sign of cross na siya. Nakita mo? Si Pacquiao. Kasi inaano siya lagi. For your glory, Lord. Yeah, lagi siya nag-praise and worship nga sila kagabi bago yan bago lumaban eh. Nagkoto, Catholic naman siya eh. Christian? Baka Christian siya, ewan ko lang. Pero alam ko, kasi nagro-rosary yung nagro-rosary nanay niya.
Unbelievable that we're here at this point in his career. Unbelievable that Manny's still here at this point in this fight.
Yo! Come on! Oh, ba't tumingin to? Ayan, dalihan mo na. Anuin mo na, tapusin mo na kaagad. 8 rounds mo dapat tinapos yan. Sabi niyang ganon. Woohoo!